Boom shakalaka. Today's video, we're going to take a look at the top altcoins to buy for October 2024. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at the top altcoins to buy for October 2024. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love, and of course, subscribe to the OG Bitcoin Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos for over 7 years. That's a long time. Now, in case you've had your head in the sand, things are starting to shift. If we take a look historically, when Bitcoin closes September in the green, which as of right now it is doing, the final 3 months of the year have seen even bigger gains. And if we take a look, massive gains, October, November, December, all of these account for, Q4 accounts for roughly 40% of gains for Bitcoin. So we have the best yet to come. But what happens for Bitcoin likely will trickle down to altcoins. As a matter of fact, if we take a look at the altcoin season index, right now forming a bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern for the past 3.5 years, about to break out of this pattern, which would send cryptocurrency from a Bitcoin year for the past 3.5 years to altcoin year, hence alt season. And we're already starting to see this proof in the pudding with some coins like the always, I don't know, what do they call it? Oscillator of oscillators. Dogecoin looking strong, breaking out of multi-month long resistance, also breaking out on the RSI, also a buy signal on the super trend indicator. Dogecoin historically oscillates every single cycle, going up an order of magnitude. This time may be no different. And if Dogecoin pumps, guess what else is likely to pump? A lot of meme coins and quite likely some altcoins. So that brings us to the question, what are the best altcoins to buy for October 2024? And that is where something called reversion to the mean comes in. If we take a look, there's this crypto market RSI heat map on CoinGlass, and this shows us all of the coins out there, whether they're overbought, strong, neutral, weak, or oversold. Now, reversion to the mean is a theory that, on average, things revert to the mean. If they're overbought, they're eventually going to come back down to neutral and then maybe be oversold for a while. If they're oversold, on the other hand, based on the laws of averages, well, eventually, as long as they're not a terrible project, well, they would return to weak, neutral, and henceforth. So, that being said, we're going to take a look at the top 5 coins to buy this month based on how oversold they are. Now, granted, I have not done intensive due diligence on any of these coins. Clearly, do your own due diligence before buying. This is not an endorsement of any of these projects. But based on the law of reversion of the mean, these coins should do pretty well for October. So the first coin would be none other than Portal Gaming, or Portal. If we take a look, they got this website and you can log in one click, effortless payments, all your game items in one place, connect with friends, play games on any chain, and all that other fun stuff. Over 200 games, developers, Portal token, you can have a node, all of that fun stuff with Portal. Now, if we take a look at Portal, right now trading at 34 cents, and you can see since coming out at $4 and change, it has just been coming back down. But we do see a bottom somewhere in the 20-ish cents range. And since then, price has been starting to come back up. So, are things bullish for Portal? Has it changed direction from being very bearish to all of a sudden bullish? Could the trend be your friend? Those are all questions you'll have to answer for yourself. But being very oversold and appearing like it might be changing directions, this would be the first coin for this month in terms of best coins to buy for October 2024. Now, the second one, AVO, trade options, perps, and strategies all in one place. You can see has its trading and staking incentives platform, decentralized trading with centralized exchange like performance. So the second one is AVO, also strategies for enhanced yield and a whole bunch of other stuff for those people who are interested. Now, if we take a look at the chart for AVO, right now trading at 40 cents. And this is another one. Started at highs, roughly 346, all the way down. I mean, you're pretty much buying the bottom so far. Where's the bottom? 30 some cents. So you're pretty close to buying the bottom on this one. If it does come back upwards, it does look like the direction may have changed from going down to going up, as we're probably seeing with a lot of altcoins, as the general trend has changed from going down to going up. This could be a nice one for the second pick for October 2024, which brings us to number 3. Lista DAO, making DeFi easier. Enjoy secure, simple, and permissionless liquid staking and stablecoin lending solutions. You can borrow Lista DAO, you can stake BNB, you can even take part in a Cosmic Adventure Challenge. And what is not fun about that? Other things, you can generate List D, you can see the rates down here. Probably not very competitive right now, but, you know, things like that. Now, things about Lista: security, seamless UI, lucrative yield, low fees, and you can find out about the contributors, yada, 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 all that fun stuff. Now, Lista DAO. Right now, 38 cents. Pretty much everything today, right around 40 cents. And if we take a look, this one did have a high of roughly 82 cents. Since the trend has come all the way down, but guess what? At about mid-September, it looks like this downtrend was broken. We now have, higher lows, higher highs, all of those fun things. Well, I guess we would need a new higher high there. But looks like the trend has been broken. Could be going back up. The lowest was roughly around 30 cents. Right now we're at 38 cents. So this could be another good coin to consider for October if you do your due diligence and if you believe the project is good, because it looks like price may have bottomed out. As a matter of fact, we have one bottom here, two bottom here. Should price break this confirmation point at 48 cents, well, then there's a 97% chance it's in for 40% gains, which would probably bring it up to 69 cents because that's a pretty cool number. So that's 3 coins so far. On to the 4th coin for October. Application error. Yeah, I know it doesn't work on this browser, but hey, that's whatever. You can see if we reload the page for Athena, enabling internet money, a synthetic dollar with internet native yield. You can see your APYs, enter Athena, all that fun stuff. You can do the research on your own. Now, Athena is an interesting one because I saw news recently. Holy cow, this one's at 38 cents also. Everything's at 38 cents today. Wow. But this one recently has some type of thing going on with BlackRock. If we scroll down, we could probably find it here. Athena Labs is now working on a new stablecoin backed by tokenized fund from a major Bitcoin investor. BlackRock stablecoin will offer stable whatever. So maybe that could be a good thing if Athena turns out to be one of the coins for, I don't know, the new people coming into cryptocurrency through banks. Could Athena be the coin for that? Certainly could. And take a look at this. Downtrend. We have top price 147. Downtrend, downtrend, downtrend until roughly mid-September. Looks like it's starting an uptrend. As a matter of fact, we already have a higher high right there. So all those things being said, looks like the trend has changed on Athena. The trend could be your friend. Oversold. Could this be a good buy? Quite possibly. Which brings us to the last coin for October. I know it's getting so sad. Only so many coins you can put in a video if you don't want the video to be an hour and a half long. So coin number 5. Radiant Capital. Earn interest and borrow assets cross-chain seamlessly. You can launch the app powered by Layer 0. You can see the market cap, the fees paid by Radiant Lockers, and the APR on ETH. Right now, industry-leading rewards. They don't look too high. Okay, ETH is okay, but these ones don't look too high to me. Trusted by 155,000 holders. And you can find out more about how it works, where you lock your Radiant liquidity, access boosted emissions, and accumulate tokens. More about the mission, on-chain stuff, all of that fun stuff. Now, if we take a look at the charts right here, this one does look like it had a double top right there, but maybe prices already come back down, and maybe, I don't know, could that be a really large double bottom? Probably not, but it does appear like this sharp downtrend from March to September has at least stopped or corrected a little bit. Right now at 8 cents, the only coin today not at 38 cents, with a high of roughly 41 cents, 43 cents, and a low of 6 cents. So maybe getting in at the bottom. So that is all of the coins that are likely to do very well for October based on reversion to the mean alone. Not doing due diligence, not being a fanboy of any of these projects, but based on the law of averages, these coins would be likely to do well. The first one would be Portal, 34 cents. The second one, Avo, 40 cents. The third one, Listed DAO, 38 cents. The fourth one, Athena, 38 cents. And the fifth one, Radiant Capital at 8 cents. So that's all for this episode. If you did enjoy it, like the video, come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Subscribe to the channel. And also, YouTube says watch that video right there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.